Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam the Art Zone. Today we will start yet another series in drawing for beginners on symmetrical and asymmetrical drawing. We have learnt about symmetry and asymmetry in maths, right? Now we will see how does this work in drawing. Don't worry, we are not going to take any maths class here, but yes, understanding this is very helpful in drawing. Drawing is balancing of shapes. So symmetrical and asymmetrical balancing is there in everything we draw, be it an object, a design, or even human figures, depending on the need of the portrayal. So come on, let's begin and get into the video. Now let's first understand what is symmetrical drawing. This is an ongoing Kerala mural drawing of mine which I will be using to show symmetrical drawing. This is a design which I want to replicate on the other side of this line. This line in the center is called the line of symmetry. Now a line of symmetry is a line that can be drawn through a shape so that the shapes on either sides of the line are mirror images of each other, or we can say a reflection of each other. So symmetrical drawing means same. There are two ways of making a mirror image. Either you can trace the drawing or you draw it exactly the same way with measurements initially, and later you will be capable enough to draw the same image without any measurements. I'll be making a separate video on tracing. In this series, we will practice to do the reflection drawing on our own. So here it is. This is the mirror image now on the other side of the line of symmetry. To make it simple, I'll explain with some simple geometrical shapes. Shapes that have at least one line of symmetry are considered to be symmetrical. However, there can be more lines of symmetry in a shape. Here in this star, we have only one line of symmetry. We can see the same shape on both the sides of the line. We will not get the mirror images further in this if we try to draw more lines. Coming to the square shape, the line vertically drawn cuts the square into half, mirroring each other. Again, when we draw a horizontal line passing through the center, we get four equal parts. Further, a square can be divided diagonally, also giving the reflection of each bit of shape in it. So a square has four lines of symmetry. This can be also said to be a radial balancing. Now here in this rectangle, we get two lines of symmetry, unlike square, because if we draw the diagonal lines, it won't mirror each other anymore. Lastly, we will talk about a circle. A circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry. That is, any line passing through the center of a circle will be a line of symmetry because of its round shape. Now this is an example of asymmetrical drawing. Alright, now let's see what is asymmetrical balancing. Asymmetrical drawing is the opposite of symmetrical drawing. It's an unequal distribution of visual appearance. Rather, we can say any shape that does not have any line of symmetry at all is considered asymmetrical balancing of drawing, like how we can see in these shapes. All the rectilinear objects are asymmetrical. I believe the concept of symmetrical and asymmetrical drawing was clear in this video. If you found this video helpful, please do like and share. And those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Now this is going to be very interesting, so please stay tuned to see more on symmetrical and asymmetrical drawing. Until we meet again next time, take care and bye-bye.